Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. So this is the it's in neutral. This is the generator light, high beam. This is the oil pressure. Oil pressure switch is not working. I'm waiting on it. Turn signal. Turn signal. This is hazards. This is ignition. This is spotlight. When the spotlight comes on, the spotlight indicator comes on. I don't have the spotlights yet. They are coming. So everything is working. I don't have the headlight on yet, but it's all wired up. Everything is wired up. So right is working, left is working, and so everything is working on the bike. And so we are, I'm going to put the front fender on, and I'm going to take the wheel off. I'm going to put the front fender on. I have it blocked up. I have it tied down. So it is, I don't want to scratch up the front fender, so I take the front wheel out. I'm going to clean up the hubs. I'm going to clean up this. I've got to clean this. I'm going to plate this as well. I'm going to clean and plate, and then get that done. And regarding the tank has already been, um, I've already Caswelled the inside, which is I epoxied the inside. The tank was spectacular anyway. It is, so we are, everything is working fine. It is, we have not done the timing yet. And so we will do the timing shortly. I do have spark. So we have great compression. We have great spark. So if you look inside here, so we have great spark. The got wires everywhere, just dry. So the I've not tried starting the bike. There's no gas in it. We have great oil coming through. I should be able to see it. Let me turn it back. See the oil pooling up there? The oil's coming through great. See the oil coming through? Oil's great. Oil is dripping already inside the head. I'm actually getting oil on the thing, so it's actually dripping when I'm doing it, which is fine. And we are should be good to go. And we so stand by. Let me start taking off the tire.